So in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your avatar in Mobile Legends. Here is your avatar in the top left corner. When you click on it once, then second time it will display on your full screen. Click on change avatar and now you can select one from these or click on plus. Then here edit, agree, and you'll be able to upload your own photo, but I'm going to just select one of these. You can also customize the avatar border, but you can see that they are locked here. So you can unlock them with diamonds, I guess. And so I'm gonna stick to the default one. And now remember that when you switch to any avatar, you need to click on replace in order to actually save it. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.